Namaste everyone. Welcome in Yoga with Anmol Singh. Today we practice some different type of posture. Just Bakasana, one leg Bakasana and any other posture. Same like that. So we focus only on posture and how to do, how you can that posture and what is the correct position of that posture. We try that. Okay, so continue start. But come in cat pose. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look your navel. Inhale, relax. Now continue with holding. Again drop your left palm, back side. Look forward, roll your spine, look up, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax this side, same position, other side. Look up, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Come in plank pose. Leg together now. Look forward. Body try to one line. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your knee. Come in cat. Come in cat pose. Tuck toes and sit on your leg. Your armpit on your knee. Palm on the floor. Lift your heel and all body weight sit on your hand. First try to push little forward. Check your arms. Arms need standing position. Then slowly try to lift your one leg. If possible, lift your both leg. Maintain here. 5. You try only how much you can. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Same position if possible. This is beginner, but if possible then try to come in final position. Final position you need arms straight. Same position, try one time more. Palm on the floor and lift your heel up, arms straight and slowly push forward. Then lift your leg one by one. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next position. Drop your knee. Drop your left leg. I start from left side. So drop your left leg on your right thigh. Tuck toes. Lift your knee. And catch your toes through the armpit. I move this side, then you can see easily. Drop your leg here, lift your knee and your toes, try to catch your hand and catch your leg through the armpit and catch this knee also through the armpit. And same position, bend your elbow, go forward. Arms standing position, then try to go forward and slowly try to lift your leg. And slowly back leg straight, open shoulder, look forward, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. I hope you all are understand. Okay, check second side also. I move this side, then you can see easily same position. Set this position. Drop here, lift your knee, catch your leg. You can see, catch your leg through the armpit and catch your hand through the toes. Then the second side, I move more forward, catch first, then slowly try to bend your elbow and lift your leg. look forward, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. I hope now you can understand. Next position have ek path bakasana. So first I show with support, then I show without support. If you are beginner, you can practice. Drop palm here. You put your leg on wall. Same like plank pose. First try to put your leg on wall. You can hold here. Then one by one, drop your leg on hand. Change. You try how much you have strength. You can do one by one also if you tired. You put here first, then put this leg here, then try to lift. First leg here, put leg here, then try to lift. Okay, first you try here, then we try final position. Now continue, try to final position. Same position, come in Bakasana. Lift your leg up. Push forward and try to lift your left leg up. First you come this position. First come Bakasana and lift your knee one by one, one by one, one by one. And feel your strength, how much you have strength. So palm on floor. Then lift your leg and leg up. Leg up. Skip your leg. Skip how much you can. If you can skip, then you can straight also upside. So try same position and try to lift your left leg up. Lift your left leg up. Leg up. Leg up. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Same position, try other side. Drop your leg and lift your right leg. First lift and slowly try to leg up. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. I hope you all are understand. Next position we try. Next position. First come in plank pose. Look forward. Drop your heel on floor. Leg come together and lift your left arms. Your arms try to in one line, leg together. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax this side. Same position, other side. Change your side and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Continue. We try same position. First sit down and rotate your shoulder. Opposite direction. Come in child pose and relax first, hand back side. Sit down. We try same position, plank pose, then lift left arms, and if possible then try to lift your left leg also. First come in plank pose and drop your left leg beside your left hand. Drop your heel on the floor, catch your toes. I hope easily you can understand. Heel on the floor, catch your toes and lift your leg up. You can hold here also. If you can lift like this, then slowly try to lift, and slowly try to open your leg as much as possible. Hip try to push forward and maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Same position other side. Change your leg. Drop your right leg beside your right hand. Drop your left heel on floor. I move this side, then easily can understand. Drop your right leg forward. Your left heel come on floor. Then catch toes and lift. First option, hold here, and if possible, then slowly try to leg straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now this posture we try with support. Here already have wall, so we can try with wall also. We put our hip on wall. So come plank pose, hip little bit upside, drop your heel down, then lift your leg, catch your toes and try to open. Slowly open as much as possible. Relax. I hope you can understand. Second side we try, continue with support. Palm here, drop your heel, catch your toes and open. Open maximum. 1. Relax. I hope you understand this posture also. We try one more posture. Sit down. Sit in this position. Drop your palm and drop your left leg forward side. And put your arms, you put your shoulder under knee. Then try to lift your leg. Your right leg continue beside your other hand and try to lift your second leg also. If you want to see more easy, then I show you more easy. I move this side, then you can see. First put your right leg here and this knee, this position. Put your arms here, then try to support this side. Easy, try to lift, push forward, lift your second leg. But if you want final position, you need lift leg up. So put your armpit under leg. Or you can lift your hip also, then put here. And try to lift your leg. Lift, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Second side, same position. Change your leg, choose your option. You can do this position also. You can lift your hip also. Choose your option and come in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, so we finished today here. Tomorrow we try again with power yoga sequence. Today I show this all posture. You try whole day, and if you can do, then tomorrow we start our power yoga class. Then we start with sequence with this whole posture. Okay, namaste, thank you.